Can you say this simple word correctly? It's pronounced.
Intimacy.
Let's break it down.
This word is often spoken too quickly. The correct way is intimacy. Start with in, then a soft t, add m, and end with c. Together, intimacy. Now, let's practice it 3 times together. Ready? Intimacy. 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 If you said it smoothly all 3 times, you've just unlocked the true sound of intimacy.
Got it? Let's practice it together. Repeat after me.
Intimacy. 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 Intimacy.
Now it's your turn. Drop a comment if you nailed it or if you need more tips. Subscribe for more pronunciation guides. And here's a fun challenge. Record yourself, post it, and tag us.